Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have the best Air Jordan 3 Palomino, so guys don't forget to subscribe and like this video, so let's go and watch it. Introducing the highly anticipated Air Jordan 3 Palomino, set to make its grand debut tomorrow, July 30th. This stylish sneaker will be available in full family sizing, ensuring that everyone can rock this iconic silhouette. Crafted with premium materials, the Air Jordan 3 Palomino boasts a beautiful blend of warm tan suede and SM. Crafted with premium materials, the Air Jordan 3 Palomino boasts a beautiful blend of warm tan suede and smooth leather accents, creating a luxurious and modern look. The classic elephant print subtly adorns the upper, providing a touch of texture and depth to the design. On the midsole, you'll find a clean white base with Palomino accents on the midsole inserts and heel air unit, delivering a perfect balance of colors. The outsole follows suit with its Palomino and white combination, ensuring a cohesive appearance from top to bottom. Gold accents add a touch of elegance to this release, with the Jumpman logo appearing in refined gold on the tongue, heel, and outsole. To complete the package, the Air Jordan 3 Palomino comes with matching laces and gold-tipped aglets for that extra premium touch. Don't miss out on the chance to secure a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Palomino tomorrow, with prices starting at a retail value of $200. Whether you're a longtime sneakerhead or just appreciate a stylish kick, these sneakers are a must-have addition to your collection. Get ready to elevate your sneaker game with this extraordinary reel.